Hi everyone, today's topic is transformer. As we know, we are hearing this word for we get the supply from transformer. That is again a electrical part of a transformer. But in electronic also we use a transformer for our power supply to create a power supply to to have a circuit. We need power supply circuit. We need a transformer. A transformer is the simplest device that is used to transfer electrical energy from one alternating current circuit to another circuit, or it can be said as multiple circuits through the process of electromagnetic induction. So a transformer purely works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It can be step up or step down the voltage. Now, a transformer either increases AC voltage or decreases AC voltage, that is, step up and step down. A transformer, which is normally utilized in the transmission and distribution of alternating current power, is fundamentally a voltage control device. So, transformers are used for a wide range of purposes, including increasing the voltage from electric generators to enable long distance transmission of electricity, and decreasing the voltage of conventional power circuits to run low voltage devices like doorbells and toy electric trains. Now, transformers are categorized based on several parameters. First parameter is based on operating voltage, that is, we have two types: step down transformer and step up transformer. Second is based on core material, we have four: iron core transformer, ferrite core transformer, toroidal core transformer, and air core transformer. Now, third one is based on winding arrangement. We have only one, that is auto winding transformer. Now, based on usage, we have power transformer, measurement transformer, distribution transformer, pulse transformer, or and audio output transformer. Now, parts of the transformer, if you see, there are eight parts: core, winding, insulation agents, strength, transformer oil, oil conservators, breather, and radiators and fans. This completes what is transformer.